In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Affirm on Expedia. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can do this process either through your computer on a web browser at the Affirm website as I'm doing here, or through the mobile app. Regardless of which option you pick, the process is mostly the same, it's just gonna look visually different. So, on the Affirm website or the app, look for Expedia at the search bar at the top of the screen. You will be able to choose between the Expedia flights or Expedia hotels and vacation packages. Regardless of which option you pick, you will be prompted to sign into your Affirm account and you will be redirected to the Expedia website. Once you find a flight or a hotel or vacation that you are satisfied with, click on it and start the reservation process. As soon as you select corresponding vacation and books, you will be able to go to the payment page, and on here, input your credentials, so your full name, phone number, select what you want to include in your stay, and on the payment method, you will be able to choose monthly payments. As soon as you select monthly payments, you will get this prompt. Scroll down to continue to book with Affirm. So all you have to do after you fill out all this information is scroll all the way down and select Continue to Affirm. When you click this option, this is what you should see. You will get the prompt to log into your Affirm account to confirm the Expedia booking. As long as you selected monthly payments on the payment method and you have valid credentials, you will be able to pay using Affirm. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Affirm on Expedia. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.